Alright, so now's the time I show you how to set up a siphon. So this is what you need. You need a bucket of water. For the purposes of this activity, I've put some food colouring in it just so you can see the water flowing through the tube. Obviously you need a tube, the clear tubing as we talked about before. Basically, I think this is the 8mm internal diameter stuff. And it's only to catch the water in and to measure the volume. Now this is a fairly cheap and cheerful one, just a measuring jug. You can get a lot better than that though. So if you want to get more accurate readings, you need a better jug than this. But just to the purposes of the exercise, that'll do. Okay, so here's how it works. So you get a free end and you start to feed it in. Okay, now you slowly feed it in without that end coming back out again. So you may need to just have one hand holding that end in and see how the other hand is just slowly pushing in like this, and as it fills with water, the air will get pushed out and nice and gentle like that until it's completely in. So now what we've got is a tube completely underwater and it's now filled with water. So if I just lift the other end up, the water will just fall out like this. Look, bang, look at that, it just all falls out. So let's just come back in again. So what you need to do is once you've got it all filled, with your thumb, seal the end. And then I bring it up like that and it's still full of water. Okay, so now, might have been a problem there. You shouldn't let that other end come out. If I release, it flows. Okay, so you can see it flowing there. I'll just move this over a bit. Alright, if I look, see that? I picked it up and it was too high and it ran back down again. Okay, so that's not what's not to do. Let's just do it all again. Get it underneath. Just going to pour that back in. Seal the end. Okay, so it's all filled up there. What we don't want is that in there. Okay, so in the activity you'll have somebody else with the stopwatch ready to go, and you'll count them down. 1, 2, 3, go. And so they're timing it. So let's say they say, righto, let's go to 30 seconds or a minute or whatever, and the timer will go ready, set, stop, and then you just read that off. So that's probably about 220 mils there in that one. So whatever time you've got, it's off the stopwatch, and your volume is what's in there. Done.